It's pretty wild how just one day of news can reveal everything about how the big AI giants are fighting it out. So, what does it really take to win the AI race? Is it just about having the most money, the best tech?
Turns out there's no silver bullet. It's a battle being fought on totally different fronts.
So, let's break down the news from just one day to see exactly what those strategies look like in action. Okay, Act 1, Open AI. Their whole game is about one thing: massive, overwhelming scale.
And that scale is backed by an insane valuation. We're talking $852 billion.
That valuation, it came from a record-breaking funding round, the biggest in Silicon Valley history.
And it's not just investor hype. They're pulling in $2 billion in revenue every single month.
That revenue is fueled by a massive user base, 900 million weekly active users. So what's the point of all this? The goal is to be the one single AI super app for everything. As Aaron Rose puts it, they're acting like a company getting ready for an IPO, a utility, not just an app. All right, Act 2. While OpenAI was flexing, a challenger, Anthropic, ran into some trouble.
Big trouble. Over 500,000 lines of their internal source code for Claude just leaked.
And that leak exposed all kinds of secret stuff, like a proactive mode and even a Tamagotchi-style companion.
Now, this matters because it hits their credibility with developers. But there's an even deeper problem here. It's this idea of dark code. Code that AI spits out super fast but isn't well understood or secured.
And look, the leak itself isn't the whole story. As the quote says, 2 incidents in 1 week, that's a pattern. Okay, on to Act 3. Google. While all this was happening, they made a much quieter strategic move. First, they dropped a new AI video generator that's 50% cheaper to run, a huge deal for scalability. But the real game changer was something called TurboQuant, a totally new compression algorithm. This thing is incredible. It makes models way smaller while also making them run up to 8 times faster. This is classic Google. They're changing the basic rules of the game by tackling infrastructure, just like they always do. So, let's pull this all together. What have we seen? One day, 3 completely different playbooks. OpenAI plays the scale game, Anthropic fights for developer mindshare, and Google's reshaping the underlying tech. It leaves you with a big question, right? Who's really playing the long game here? The money, the product, or the rule changer?